Let me ask you something real. Have you ever had a meeting in 1 hour, a class presentation tomorrow, or a client waiting for a report, and everything is scattered everywhere? PDF files here, Excel sheets there, screenshots on your phone, Word docs in different folders. You open everything one by one, copy, paste, summarize, design slides manually, and suddenly, you've lost 5 hours of your life. Yeah, I've been there. This is exactly why Genspark exists. What is Genspark? Is not just another AI tool. All-in-one AI Workspace version 2. Slides, spreadsheets, websites, design, smart agents, everything in one dashboard. And here's something crazy. $155 million ARR in 10 months. That alone tells you how powerful this platform really is. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful features with real examples, not theory. Let's jump in. All right, first one, Super Agent. This is like your personal AI assistant that actually understands real tasks. I'm inside the dashboard now. You see this clean interface? I just type what I need. For example, research top AI video tools in 2025 and summarize them in simple language. I click run and boom. It searches, compares, summarizes, and gives me a structured answer. Not random text, actual usable information. This is perfect for research, content ideas, business planning, YouTube scripts, study notes. Instead of opening 10 tabs, I do everything inside one chat. Now, let me show you my favorite feature, GensparkAI Look at my screen. I'm here on the AISlides page. I could start from scratch or choose a template, but let's do something real. Case number 1. Imagine I need a presentation about AI tools for marketing teams. So I type, create a professional presentation about AI tools for marketing teams. Include use cases, benefits, and examples. Make it simple and visual. Click run and watch this. Genspark writes the structure, creates slide titles, adds content, organizes sections, makes it presentation ready in less than 1 minute. Before, this would take me 3 to 5 hours. Now, my coffee is still hot. Case number 2, last minute hack. Let's say your boss messages, presentation in 30 minutes, no stress. I upload a PDF report, an Excel file, some screenshots. Then I write, turn these files into a clear presentation with charts and key insights. And it does it. This is a lifesaver. Now, this part is crazy. AISheets. This looks like Excel, but it's smart. Example, I paste a list of company names. Then I type find company websites, industry, and employee count. And it automatically searches online, fills columns, structures data, no formulas, no VLOOKUP, no stress. Another example, analyze this sales data and show best performing month. It creates summary, insights, charts. This is perfect for data analysis, market research, business reports. Now let's switch to something fun. AI Designer. This is for visuals. Look at my screen. I can create posters, logos, social media posts, thumbnails, t-shirts. Example, like design a YouTube thumbnail for an AI tools video with bold text and text style. It generates multiple designs. No Photoshop, no Canva skills. Just type and generate. You can also change colors, edit text, adjust style, perfect for creators. Now this one is powerful. AI Developer. This lets you build websites, web apps, and landing pages. I select simple website. Then I type create a landing page for my AI YouTube channel with hero section, subscribe button, and dark theme. And it starts building. You see us say live preview, code, layout. No coding needed. You can publish it directly. This is insane for us startups, personal websites, MVP projects. There's another feature inside Genspark that can make this workflow even faster, especially if you spend a lot of time writing prompts, editing text, or preparing reports. It's called Speakly. Now, let's test a few features of Speakly together. First of all, once the download and installation are complete, you need to choose 2 keyboard keys for dictation. These keys will activate Speakly whenever you hold them. For example, you can choose Shift and Control. You can click on the setting and select any other 2 keys you prefer, such as Control and Alt, Alt and X, or any other combination. For me, I'll keep left shift and left control because I'm already used to those keys. Now, whenever you hold these 2 keys, Speakly becomes active. This means you no longer need to type. You can simply start speaking. And don't worry about small things like laughs, pauses, or mistakes that might happen while you are speaking. Speakly uses AI to intelligently polish and clean the final text before delivering it to you. For example, let's say I want to write an email to my boss. I simply hold the keys and start speaking. Hello, Mr. White. Just a quick reminder that tomorrow... My dog suddenly jumped on my leg. Anyway, tomorrow in the meeting, we should discuss creating a tutorial video about Genspark. If you agree, I can start working on the video script tomorrow. And as you can see, the text is instantly generated in about 3 lines, written in a clear and professional format, ready to be sent as an email. My laugh, pauses, pronunciation mistakes, or unnecessary words are all automatically cleaned up. None of those appear in the final text. Let's try another example. Recently, I received an email from a viewer. It was a valuable piece of feedback about the channel, but it was written in Chinese, which I don't speak. Normally, you might need to open ChatGPT, another AI tool, or Google Translate, but with Speakly, you don't need any of that. First, I simply select the text. Then I hold Shift and Alt and say, translate this into English. And just like that, the translated text appears instantly. You can copy the text directly from here, or you can click Ask Genspark to open the Genspark Super Agent Workspace, where the AI can help you with any additional questions you may have. Another useful feature is that wherever you are, you can simply double-tap Shift and Alt, and the Ask Genspark window will instantly appear at the bottom of your screen. And that's it for the Speakly tutorial. Now let's move on to the final part of the video. Genspark 2026 promotion. For the entire year 2026, you get unlimited usage of AI chat, AI image with top models like GPT 5.2, Claude Opus 4.6, Gemini 3.1 Pro, Flux, Nano Banana 2, and Seedream unlimited access. No limits, no daily cap. That alone is crazy value. So today we tested Super Agent, AISlides, AISheets, AI Designer, and AI Developer. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. And if this helped you, subscribe, because I test AI tools every week. See you in the next